I'd like to show you this product that I'm going to show you how to use. They're called Keurig rinse pods. And if you haven't cleaned your Keurig in a while, these do make a big difference in the taste of your coffee. I might do mine every 3 months. You might decide to do yours sooner, but they work very well, and I do highly recommend them. There's the, it takes the bitterness out of your coffee. It does a nice, safe, and effective cleaning. Overall, it's great. There's 10 of them in here. I probably used 3 over the last 9 months. But let me fill up my Keurig, and then we'll do a cleaning cycle, and I'll show you what happens during the cleaning cycle. I'm just gonna fill this up. How's everybody's weekend? We just got home from a cruise to Bermuda. We went out of Boston, came back in through Boston. We walked off the ship with our luggage because we just didn't want to wait to go find it and pick it out. I guess we could have, but in the morning when you get ready to leave, you have everything with you instead of some odds and ends that you have to kind of carry from the night before. All right, so we're going to put this container underneath. I'm going to put the rinse pod in. All right, and I'm going to brew it on a large cup of coffee. And you'll see what happens. It foams up. It really cleans it. See, the water's a little bit discolored. That's the cleaning agent going to work. You see that's kind of yellowy? See? That's definitely cleaned it out. So I'm going to do another one. I'm going to probably run it a couple of times just to rinse things through. I'll clean this cup out. Put this in again. And this time we're just going to run it on hot water. Okay. Kind of goofed up. Oh, here we come. I'm going to rinse this twice. That's a little clearer this time. Now the reason I rinse it a couple of times is just to get any residue of the cleaning agent out of in here. So we'll do it one more time. We'll wait for that to energize itself, and then we'll push the cleaning cycle. Nice cup here. How many papas can agree with that? The best job I've ever had is being a papa. And that's true. My 6 grandkids will attest to that. Okay, last time. Now all that residue has been flushed out. The cleansing agent's been run through, and we've rinsed it twice. So after this finishes, I'm going to shut our coffee maker off and enjoy a better cup of coffee in the morning. If you've made it all the way through this video, I wanted to say thank you, and wish you have a great weekend, and I appreciate you stopping by. Take care now. And that's it.